Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Kuluche, welcome you all for today's lecture. Now, because of COVID-19, again the exams have been postponed to indefinitely, and the government and university has ordered to begin with the second semester classes. So friends, for this second semester, we will start concentrating on online classes presently. So today, I will be discussing about the structure of subjects for your second semester and the subjects having whichever subjects has how many credits and the pattern of examination, and after that the subject that I would be dealing for this semester, that is marketing management. For your second semester, dear friends, you all have 8 subjects, that is number 1 English of 3 credits weekly, that is for your 3 credits. Then MIL, that is Hindi for you all, that is also of 3 credits, and this time you all will be having environmental science, that is ES, for 2 credits. And the next subject is corporate accounting for 3 credits, human resource management for 3 credits, and marketing management for 3 credits. Quantitative analysis for business decisions, that is also for 3 credits, and computer practicals, that is practicals on computer science, this would be for 1 credit. Total this semester is of 22 credits. When you have 3 credit subject, at that point of time you will be having 80 marks written examinations and 20 marks internals. And when you have a credit of 1 or 2, at that point of time you will be having 40 plus 10, that is 40 marks for your examination and 10 marks as internals. So this is the course structure for BBA second semester. Now let us move ahead and see. Along with that, one more thing I forgot to explain you all, that is your CCA, that is extracurricular activities apart from studies what you all have done. So that would be of 1 credit again for 50 marks. So let us see the subject which I would be dealing for your second semester, that is the marketing management. Here the subject marketing management has been added to your syllabus with an intention to give you all an overview of how marketing management happens. Presently, customer is being treated as the god of business, because every satisfied customer will be a brand advertisement or ambassador of the company, because the satisfaction what he or she has got from the product or the company he will explain the same to the other people known to him. So here, that is the reason the customer is being treated as the god in marketing. So here, marketing management subject, when this subject is added to your syllabus, the objective of this subject is to familiarize and understand the, here you can see the familiarize and understand the contemporary marketing management issues, strategies, trends, and to highlight the importance of marketing. Now let us begin with the module 1. What would be there in your module 1? So here you can see in module 1 you have some basic things which will be covered or which will be discussed, that is your Management Information System is the first module. In this module, you will be studying, that is the basics or basic components of, say, marketing management, that is management information system, then the research concept and components of marketing information system, then marketing research, meaning and scope of marketing research procedure, what is the procedure, how marketing research will be done, and the basic concepts of marketing and marketing research. After that, we will be discussing management's use of marketing research, how managements use marketing research in their organizations, wherein we will be, say, understanding why marketing research is essential in day-to-day business life. So here, this things we will be discussing in our first module. After that, the second module what we would be having is digital marketing. Here, the digital marketing will be consisted of two most important things, that is digital and green marketing. Here in this module, we will be discussing what is digital marketing, then we will be also discussing the various benefits of digital marketing, then seller and consumers, then digital versus real marketing, then digital marketing channels, how digital marketing will be done, then problems of digital marketing in India, because when we are staying in India, we need to know the problems and prospects of digital marketing in India. After that, most important concept of marketing management is green marketing. So here in this topic, we will be discussing meaning and definition of green marketing, objectives, importance and fundamental requirements of green marketing, then problems of green marketing, then case study on implementation of green marketing. Here we will be seeing the practical aspect of applying the green marketing concept and implementation. One case study we will be discussing. This green marketing and digital marketing is very important in the present scenario, because this COVID crisis has made the people to go digital. So here, this digital platform is a very wide platform available for marketing. So this chapter will give you all the overview of how digital marketing works. The next third unit we will be discussing about buying behavior. In this module, factors affecting consumer buying behavior. Now whenever we are going to purchase something, we behave after looking that product or after looking at the prices of that product. So how the consumer behaves while buying. Then module of consumer behavior we will be discussing. Then buyer decision process, how a buyer, when he is buying, what would be his decision making process in buying. Then buyer adoption process, types of buying decision behavior. Then industrial market, distinction from consumer market, industrial buying process and buying situation. Then new task, modified rebuy and straight rebuy, then buying process. These are the things which we will be discussing in our third module. Fourth module is customer relationship management. In this module we will be discussing the meaning, types, that is proactive, operational, collaborative and analytical types of consumer, that is consumer relationship management. Then we will be discussing the various defectors and some of the important concepts of our customer relationship management. Then role of IMC in marketing process, IMC planning and marketing and promotion process. These things we will be discussing in 4th module. 5th module consists of global marketing and rural marketing. Here in this module we will be discussing meaning, then marketing environment, demographic, physical, social, cultural and political. After that economic and economic structure. Then challenges in rural marketing, then affordability, availability, awareness and acceptability. Then rural marketing index, then Thomson rural marketing index, global marketing environment, characteristics and entry mode. So these are the things what we will be discussing or studying in our 2nd semester marketing management subject. This subject consists of 80 marks. For this 80 marks, the question paper pattern will be same like your last semester, and your internal process also will be same, that is 2 internals, 1 assignment. And in this subject we will be adding presentations also. So in today's class we'll stop here with this brief introduction to the subject and to the syllabus of BBA 2nd semester. From tomorrow onwards we will be starting with the simple concepts of marketing management from 1st module, that is management information system. So we'll stop here. I request you all to stay home and stay safe. Take care of your health. Don't roam outside, because it is a time for our country to stay home and protect ourselves and our country. So we'll stop here. Thank you. Good day.